So in the so in a platform, when you develop the application, right? So FFM has a 6 microservices: BASC and the attendants. Attendants, an example of Zobia. You are a owner of the cleaning company, okay? And you are using the FFM platform, okay? So you are the owner and you have a 50 employees. So 50 employees, because you know the FFM, and 2 things you need. At least on the get-going, you need 2 things. One is, I need to ensure employee is coming to the work. That's number 1. I also need to ensure employee actually do the check-in. So check-in is attendance. Because how you are going to pay them, how many hours they work. So that's the number 1. Employee coming to the work, employee check into the work, so that as a manager, as an owner, they can actually track how many hours this employee worked today, and so they can approve and then can go to the payroll, make the payment. Now the task. So now employee joined, and you have a 6 site. One site in the Grossback, another is in the Farmington Hills, another is Canton, another is like the Southfield. Okay, so each 6 site you have a different type of work. So now you have to give them the task. Some employee will go to the Southfield, they complete the task on the certain building. Some of the task will be clean the whole bathroom areas, clean the entire floor. They are doing the constructioning, clean the whole construction area, and clean the whole drive-through, right? This is called the task. So the task service is based on as a manager knows what type of task is needed for each of the site. So the manager write the task name and the task details, exactly what you do in the Agile ALM. The way you create the user story or create the task, the same task in the FFM as well. That's it. So once you write the task, now your employee complete the task, now they actually say the done. So when they're done, now you can see how long it took. The manager can see this task is done.
Okay, thank you. I understand.